Improve your game with these tips and tricks. Improving your golf game is accomplished by doing more than hitting the course as often as possible. If you do not take the time to learn some great golf tips, you are sure to continue to do the same things over and over that you do not like the results from. These tips were written to help you improve your game. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you always keep an eye on your golf clubs while at the course. This is important because due to the value of many golf clubs, somebody else probably already has their eye on them and might take them at their first chance. Stretch before you swing a golf club. When you golf, your body remains stationary during the swing, while you make other movements with your arms, wrist, etc. This is important to know so that you prepare your body for the game through stretching and strength building. Learn how to play golf. This is not only a fun and rewarding sport, but in the business world it is an acceptable way to meet and communicate with clients and coworkers. You may lose out on a lot of connections if you do not feel comfortable enough to go out on the course. If you are learning to golf, do not neglect your other clubs. Try take practice shots at the range with each club, because swinging each club with effectiveness will be different based on each club. You don't want to be in a game situation and swinging your 7-iron for the first time. Take the tips that were in this video to the course with you. Follow them closely and you are sure to benefit from the tips. Practice the things that you have learned, and you will surely enjoy the better game that you have when you are out on the greens. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn. You'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.